Yes, you are correct. So Ashish says calculate function. With that, you can add filter. And Kavya says we can override the existing filter. Very good. Okay, the calculate function. Okay. How about others? What purpose we have used all the calculate, and how about all function, Ashish? How about the I know the all function? Why do we need to use all function? Don't tell me we don't have time, right? So 1 week time we have it. Okay, in your we can see all function will, yes, you are correct. Rupa, you're correct, and Ashish, good. So with all function, you can eliminate the filters. Okay, you can eliminate the filters. Okay, the default filter comes from the row and column filters. It eliminates those filters. Okay, it simply ignores the filters that comes from row, column, and even the external filters like slicer or so. Okay. Okay, we discussed about the all function also, right? Yeah, can also used to create complex. See, don't give the generic response, like, also used to create complex. That's a generic response. The key highlight of using the calculate function is you can add the filter, you can modify the existing filter context. That is very much important. It helps us to override the existing filter context. How many of you were able to understand the calculate and the calculate function which I explained to you? Okay, so okay, the next one is the okay, good. So calculate function, we can use it to add a filter, modify the filter context and existing filter context. Right now, it helps us to override the existing filter context. Look at here are the tables, all the tables. In this case, right in today's session, we will see how to use the calculate and calculate table function, all function with more than one table. So in the last session, we have seen how to use the all function and calculate function with a single table, sales underscore W04. We can see, the same thing with a different thing here. Here, I just create the table visual. Okay, the instead of table visual, better, okay, let it be there. Table visual will start, okay. Okay, let's start with the table visual. I just go and drop the category here. So I have the category dimension table. I just drop the, where is the category? Yeah, this is the category. I just select it here. And then in that category, so how much sales we made? We want to see the breakdown of the sales. The sales column available in the fact sales table. I'm going to click on the sales amount. Unlike the sales underscore W04, now the data are available in different tables. The fact sales contains the sales amount column, and sorry, the category column is available in the dimension category table. Okay. And what is the next thing here? All function we have seen it. All measure. The same thing I'm going to use it. Okay. So here the first argument is your expression, and second argument I will use the filter modifying function called all. So all function will disregard the filter comes from the category column. You can specify the table name itself as an argument for your all function, or else you can use the column name itself. Okay, you can specify the column name. So in that case, any filter comes from the category column will be simply disregarded. Okay, and if you specify the table name alone, it will disregard all the filters comes from the columns. All the columns belong to category dimension table. Okay. Okay, in this case, fine. So I just do one thing. I just drag and drop the all measure. You know how to create a measure. Okay. So only way out is you need to watch my video, practice it side by side. There is no point in joining punctual. Here, no one will say, no, you are punctual, you are great. No, here people are bottom line oriented. Okay. So here, okay, what I'll do is I'll just drag and drop the all measure here. So what happened? What is happening here? Why the why the all measure function? Look here, what is the formula that I have written it in all measure? This is the formula, right? The calculate function, I used it in this measure, all measure. So why it is repeating the total sales amount, overall total sales amount across the rows? For what purpose it is doing that? Ashish, yes, you are correct. It seems you prepared well, right? Okay, good, good. And Praveen and Rupa, you are correct. So what is why all function displays the total sales value across the rows? So what is initial filter context? What is initial filter context?